Hey everyone, struggling with Verizon's no internet connection error on your Android or iPhone? Don't worry, I have got the quick fixes to get you back online in no time. Stay tuned, let's solve this together. Restart your phone and router, toggle airplane mode on and off, and ensure mobile data or Wi Fi is enabled and connected properly. Reset your network settings to refresh connections. Check for data balance, network coverage, and Verizon server status. If the issue persists, remove and reinsert your SIM card. Check for Verizon outages or contact Verizon support for help. What caused Verizon no internet connection on Android and iPhone issue? Verizon no internet connection on Android and iPhone can be caused by server issue or network outages which may temporarily disrupt service for many users. Poor coverage such as being far from cell towers, inside buildings or in areas with obstructions can lead to weak or unstable signals and loss of internet connection. Network congestion, technical problems with the device or SIM card, and interference from other electronics can also result in no internet access. Fix 1. Check coverage. You might have a coverage problem in your area, hence the error occurs. Go to Verizon's coverage page, enter your location to check the address. You can also check the signal bar at top of the phone. If you have a less than 3 bars, try moving to different location and try again. Fix 2. Check balance. Ensure you have a sufficient data balance in your account. You might have used up the balance. Log into your My Verizon account on the website or app and view your balance on the overview or account page. If the balance is low, recharge now to continue the service. Restarting Android, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. Tap restart and reboot. If these options aren't available, tap power off. Then press the power button again to turn it back on. If the phone is unresponsive, press and hold the power button sometimes with the volume down for about 10 to 20 seconds until it restarts. Fix 4. Check for Verizon server status. There might be an issue with the Verizon server status. Go to Verizon server status page, select data under impacted service, select no internet from reason. Enter your address to check the status. If so, issue will be resolved automatically. Try accessing data after 2 hours. Fix 5. Refresh network connection. Toggle airplane mode on and off to reset your network connection. Swipe down Android or up iPhone to access the control center or a quick settings. Tap the airplane icon to enable airplane mode. Wait 10 seconds, then tap again to disable. Fix 6. Check for mobile data. Make sure mobile data is enabled in your phone settings. If using Wi Fi, move closer to the router and reconnect to the network. Fix 7. Reset network connection. Forget the Wi Fi network and reconnect or reset your phone's network settings. This won't delete personal data but will erase saved Wi Fi and Bluetooth connection. For Android, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap System or General Management on some devices. Tap Reset option or Reset. Select Reset Network Settings, sometime called Reset Wi Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. Confirm by tapping Reset Settings and enter your PIN or password if prompted. For iPhone, open the Settings app, tap General, scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, choose Reset Network Settings and enter your device's passcode to confirm. Fix 8. Reinsert the SIM. Remove and reinsert your SIM card for 1 to 2 minutes to refresh your network connections. For iPhone, power off your iPhone, locate the SIM tray on the right or left side of your iPhone depending on model. Insert a SIM eject tool or straightened paperclip into a small hole beside the tray and gently push until the tray pops out. Remove the tray and take out or place the SIM card. Align the notch corner correctly. Slide the tray back into the phone until it clicks power on your iPhone. For Android, turn off your Android phone. Find the SIM tray usually on the side or a top edge. Use a SIM eject tool or a paperclip to press into the small hole next to the tray until it pops out. Remove the tray and take out or insert the SIM card, making sure it fits properly. Push the tray back in fully. Turn your phone back on. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.